Today in crypto. Understanding Bitcoin's blistering rise past $30,000. Bitcoin has started 2021 off with a bang. Here's what investors and analysts think is driving the rise, and today's dip, as well as predictions for what happens next. Why I've changed my mind on Bitcoin. Ritholtz Wealth Management's COO Nick Maggiulli on why he reversed positions on Bitcoin. A UK judge ruled against extraditing the WikiLeaks founder to the US in response to his legal team arguing he would have a high risk of serious depression leading to suicide. Amid speculation on social media that United States President Donald Trump may still pardon Julian Assange before leaving office, lawyers are preparing the WikiLeaks founder for many possible legal outcomes as crypto users open their wallets. According to Twitter user Whale Alert, users have donated a sizable amount of Bitcoin, BTC, toward the legal defense of WikiLeaks and Assange in the last week. Yesterday, someone sent 8,48 BTC, roughly $280,000 at the time, to support the WikiLeaks founder, while another crypto user donated 4,51 BTC last Wednesday, a transaction worth $125,000. A donation of 8,48 BTC, $281,195 was made to WikiLeaks donation wallet project. The funds are coming while Assange's legal status in the United Kingdom remains uncertain. Today, District Judge Vanessa Gritzer ruled that the WikiLeaks founder will not be extradited to the United States. Assange is currently in a UK prison but could face charges of violating the Espionage Act of 1917 related to documents provided by intelligence analyst Chelsea Manning if extradited to the United States. At the time of publication, he has not been released. The judge's ruling seems to agree with Assange's legal team's argument that the WikiLeaks founder has experienced a deterioration in his mental health due to the impending charges. Lawyers claimed that any extradition to the U.S. would put him at a high risk of serious depression leading to suicide. In response to the ruling, President of Mexico Andrés Manuel López Obrador has said he is willing to offer Assange asylum. According to a Reuters report, López Obrador is in favor of pardoning the WikiLeaks founder, referring to him as a journalist in need of protection. "I'm going to ask the foreign minister to ask the government of the United Kingdom about the possibility of letting Mr. Assange be freed and for Mexico to offer political asylum," said the president. Before the judge's decision was made public, some high-profile crypto users have been voicing their support of Assange, even pushing Trump to grant Assange a federal pardon before he leaves office on January 20. On Sunday, Blockstream CEO Adam Back implied that Assange should be released given his role as a journalist. Julian is a journalist. Fact: inconvenient exposure for malfeasance. It's like countries where journalists are disappeared, but the two-faced Western variant, from establishment that does not represent the public will, and is a rogue self-interested tactical war machine. Unconfirmed rumors have been floating around social media claiming Trump is considering pardoning Assange, along with Silk Road founder Ross Ulbricht and whistleblower Edward Snowden. However, with only 16 days left in the White House, the U.S. president's window of opportunity for granting pardons or clemency is closing. Stellar's development arm will work with the Ukrainian government on several digital asset initiatives. The Stellar Development Foundation has signed an agreement with the Ukrainian government to facilitate the creation of a digital asset ecosystem, including a framework for a central bank digital currency, or CBDC. Ukraine's Ministry of Digital Transformation announced Monday that it has entered into a memorandum of understanding with the Stellar Development Foundation. The MO outlines Ukraine's strategy for developing digital assets and CBDC infrastructure. This includes providing support to projects specializing in digital assets, implementing and regulating stablecoin circulation, and promoting the development of a CBDC. A press release from the Stellar Development Foundation on Monday confirmed that the agreement was signed on December 28. Alexandra Bornyakova, Deputy Minister of the Ministry of Digital Transformation, told Cointelegraph that facilitating a national cryptocurrency doesn't mean that Stellar will develop the Ukrainian CBDC. Rather, the Stellar partnership is expected to enable quality decision-making regarding development of the virtual assets ecosystem in Ukraine. When asked about Ukraine's potential to lead cryptocurrency and blockchain development in Europe and the world, Bornyakov said his ministry is integrating best practices from Switzerland, the United Kingdom, Malta, Liechtenstein and the United States. He elaborated, Bornyakov said that the National Bank of Ukraine has been researching CBDCs since 2017. Ukraine, like many other countries, is exploring the utility of a CBDC, as well as its potential impact on everything from monetary policy and financial stability to consumer adoption. There have been some rumblings that Ukraine is prepared to lead Eastern Europe's crypto race, with the Ministry of Digital Transformation pushing for clearer regulations on digital assets. In September, Chainalysis gave Ukraine the top spot in its global ranking on cryptocurrency adoption. Ukraine scored especially high on measures of on-chain value received and total on-chain retail value. Stellar's Lumen, XLM, is currently ranked 13th in global market capitalization for all cryptocurrencies. The Stellar Foundation's core principles include creating more equitable access to the global financial system via open-source, peer-to-peer technology. Fees on the Ethereum network have reached an average of $10.20 per transaction as of Sunday, according to data from YCharts. The network's fees went higher on only 2 occasions in 2020, briefly averaging $12.54 in early September. They again rose to $11.69 near the middle of the same month. Ethereum network transactors faced high fees on and off last year as a partial result of the decentralized finance, or DeFi, boom, which utilized the blockchain for various lending and yield farming activities. At times, the high fees made it difficult for contributors to participate in DeFi activities. Continue reading on Cointelegraph. Hit the like button and subscribe to the channel.